Hello बच्चों, so let's read this question. 100 grams of propane is completely reacted with 1000 grams of oxygen. The mole fraction of carbon dioxide in the resulting mixture is x multiplied by 10 raised to the power minus 2. हमें इसमें बतानी है value of x and we have been given the atomic weight of hydrogen, carbon as well as oxygen which is 1.008, 12.00 and 16 respectively. सो पहले हम इस क्वेश्चन का की कॉन्सेप्ट देख लेते हैं एज वी हैव टू फाइंड द मोल फ्रैक्शन तो हम पहले समझते हैं मोल फ्रैक्शन होता क्या है सो की कॉन्सेप्ट वुड बी व्हाट इज मोल फ्रैक्शन if we talk about mole fraction is the number of moles of a specific component in the solution divided by the total number of moles in the divided by the total number of moles in the given solution. So that is what is mole fraction. अगर हम इसे mathematically लिखना चाहें तो हमारा number of moles of this specific component is equals to mole fraction of the specific component is equals to mole of A, which is our specific component, divided by total number of moles, which is mole of A plus mole of B. That's how we can represent the mole fraction. So let us now find the solution for this question that is given to us. पहले हम इसका रिएक्शन लिख लेते हैं तो हमारा जो प्रोटीन है it is completely reacted with oxygen. So when a hydrocarbon reacts with oxygen it forms carbon dioxide and water. So let us try that. So अगर हमारा C3H8 which is our propane reacts with oxygen it gives CO2 and H2O. Now let us balance this equation. अगर हम बैलेंस करेंगे तो that would be equal to 5O2, 3CO2 and for H2O we have 4H2O. So that is our balanced chemical reaction. Now we will determine the molar masses. So for determination of the molar masses, determining the molar masses, तो propane का molar mass of propane. प्रोपेन की अगर मोलर मास की हम बात करें इट वुड बी इक्वल टू 3 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय द एटॉमिक वेट ऑफ कार्बन व्हिच इज गिवन टू अस एज 12 प्लस 8 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय द एटॉमिक वेट ऑफ हाइड्रोजन व्हिच इज गिवन टू अस एज 1.008. तो हम जब इसे कैलकुलेट करते हैं तो हमारे पास आंसर आता है 44.064 grams per mole. Now let us find the molar mass of oxygen. तो हमारा इसका मॉलिक्यूलर फॉर्मूला होता है O2 which is equals to 2 multiplied by 16 which will be equal to 32 grams per mole. Just write it a bit neater. So 32 grams per mole हमारा molar mass of oxygen होगा. Now let us just convert these masses to moles. So moles of propane हमें दिया हुआ है in question that 100 grams of propane is completely reactive. So 100 grams of propane की अगर हम बात करें so moles of propane is equals to 100 grams divided by the molar mass which we calculated and it came out to be 44.064. So it will approximately be equal to 2.27 moles. That is the number of moles of propane. And then we have moles of oxygen. अगर हम moles of oxygen की बात करें so that would be equal to 1000 divided by the molar mass that we have calculated of oxygen which is 32 which will approximately will be equal to 31.25 moles. Now we know this is our balanced equation. तो हम कह रहे हैं अकॉर्डिंग टू द इक्वेशन हमारा 1 मोल ऑफ प्रोपेन रिक्वायर्स 5 मोल्स ऑफ ऑक्सीजन. सो अगर हम 2.27 मोल्स की बात करें, so if we talk about for 2.27 moles of propane, amount of oxygen जो हमें लगेगा, the oxygen would be required oxygen would be 2.27 multiplied by 5, which is equals to 11.35 moles. तो ये हमारा रिक्वायर्ड ऑक्सीजन आ गया. सो अवेलेबल, और हमारे पास पता है हमने अवेलेबल O2 निकाला था, दैट इज 35.25 मोल्स. सो अवेलेबल O2 is 31.25 moles, which is more than enough. तो हमारा यहाँ पे लिमिटिंग रिएजेंट हो गया हमारा प्रोपेन. सो which is more than enough. So our limiting reagent would become propane. Limiting reagent will be propane. Now let us calculate moles of products formed. तो हमारे जो products बने हैं we discussed हमारा products है CO2 और H2O. So let us calculate their moles. So moles of CO2 will be equal to 2.27 multiplied by 3, because we know we need 3 moles of CO2 with 1 mole of propane. तो हमारे को पता है the number of moles is 2.27 we calculated, तो हम इसको 3 से मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे, which will be equal to 6.81 moles. And if we talk about moles of H2O form, moles of H2O will be equal to 2.27 multiplied by 4, which will be equal to 9.08 moles. तो अब हम कैलकुलेट करते हैं the moles of O2 which is remaining. So oxygen used, जो हमारी ऑक्सीजन यूज हुई है, that will be equal to 2.27 multiplied by 5, which is equals to 11.35 moles. हमने ये पहले भी कैलकुलेट किया था. एंड जो हमारी ऑक्सीजन बची है, ऑक्सीजन remaining, that would be total number of moles of oxygen used, which is 31.25. तो हम उससे सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देंगे. 31.25 minus 11.35, which is equals to 19.90 moles. So now let us calculate the total moles of the gas mixture. So total number of moles जो हमारे होंगे, total moles will be equal to 6.81 moles of CO2 plus 9.08 moles of H2O plus 19.90 moles of O2, which will be equal to 35.79 moles. क्योंकि हमें पता है, हमने as discussed before in the key concept, mole fraction का formula क्या होता है. तो mole fraction of CO2 would be moles of CO2, which is 6.81 divided by total number of moles in the solution, which would be 35.79. So approximately इसका आंसर हो जाएगा 0. When we calculate this, our answer would come out to be 0.1903. So now let us convert it to 10 raised to the power minus 2 form. So required form हमारी हो जाएगी, हमारे को इस फॉर्म में इसको कन्वर्ट करना है. 10 multiplied by 10 raised x multiplied by 10 raised to the power 2. So that would be equal to 19.03. अगर हम बात करें, हमें बताना है इसका नियरेस्ट इंटीजर. So our nearest integer would be x is equals to 19. That would be the nearest integer. This will be the final answer as well. So the final answer for the question is 19. I hope you understood the question well. Best of luck.